Good day everyone. A simple automation using Python. We are going to work on cryptocurrency price tracking. Let's get started. Don't give up. Keep practicing. Then your code shows the result. Ensure that you have installed Python new version. I'm going to use Visual Studio IDE. You can use any other IDE. Okay, starting with importing libraries. We are importing request and JSON. In this project, we need real-time data of cryptocurrency, that is prices. We are going to use API for requesting data and we are going to save it in the JSON format. Here I'm using Binance API and we are listing coins as per the Binance key. And then we are using for loop to get the cryptocurrency data one by one and then saving it to JSON format. As you can see, j is equal to 0 is there, so that first it will take the Bitcoin and then next and next. Here we are using URL variable key plus coins, that is list number 1, because j is equal to 0, and then we are requesting to get the data and we are saving the data to JSON format. And then we are using j is equal to j plus 1, that is in second time for loop pick the next coin in the list. Now we use print function for getting the data. Okay, that's all with the code. Now we are going to run the project. Yes, the awesome happened. We got the current price of cryptocurrencies, that is Bitcoin, Dogecoin and LEC. Now you may have a doubt that the dictionary value and key matches the JSON data. I'm going to use a print function near the data so you can able to see what is there in the data. Okay, now you can able to see the dictionary key and value, so that I was using that in the print function. So it is showing the current data. So you can check the Binance website. So the real-time data you can get from the Binance website. You can check here. Okay, thanks for watching. Please comment below if you're facing any issue. Please check the link in description, the codes for your reference.